In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download the Holy Bible offline app for Android on your smartphone. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. So to download and install the Holy Bible offline app is quite simple. Just head over to Play Store and then go ahead and search here, or you can use the search option here. Just go ahead and type Holy Bible offline. Now you can see we have quite a number of options. For instance, we have these two options, Holy Bible app plus audio, and we have here Holy Bible offline NIV. So I like to choose this. Although even if you choose this first version, your version here, you can still also download other versions and you can also use them offline. So I'll go ahead and tap on this Holy Bible offline NIV, and it is from Life Church. So at the time of recording this version has over 891,000 reviews with a rating of 4.8, and it is currently 16 MBs with over 50 million downloads. To proceed, go ahead and tap on install, and this will go ahead and download this Bible and then install it. Once the app has been installed, you can go ahead and tap on open to start using it. Alternatively, if you go to apps here, now you can see your app has been downloaded and you can go ahead and tap on it and start using it. So that's how you can download the Holy Bible app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.